In today's video, I just want to show you guys how to add blur effect inside the CapCut. It's gonna be very short and simple video, okay? So just stay tuned, all right? So let's say that you have a simple project like this one here. I have it here, and let's say that I want to just to blur this part of the video, right? So what we need to do here is just click on the project first, okay, and just click Control C and Control V. Basically, which what we have to do, we just have to just to duplicate. Okay, so we clone this project, right? So we got two projects, exactly the same projects, okay, one under the other. Okay, so make sure that they are all nicely aligned. All right, so let's say that now it's been completed. Okay, let's go to the effects, okay, and just type in blur. Okay, and there are a few blur effects available here for us. Okay, we're gonna use this one, this simple blur one. Okay, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna just drag and drop this blur effect inside the video under, okay, this bottom video, right? So this effect is here, you cannot see it, but if you say that, because this video is on top of the other one, okay, but if we make this video unseen, the top one, you see that the whole video has been blurred. Okay, so that means that this effect has been implemented. Now the next stage would be, what we have to do is we just have to go ahead and clear the just to, what we have to do is we just have to click the top video here, and we have to go to video effects, and then we go and click mask, right? So once we click mask, we're gonna to go ahead and click rectangle. Okay, what we can do, we can do the other one, like horizontal, minor cycle. I like the rectangle here in this occasion. All right, so you see that the whole thing has been blurred. Okay, only the rectangle is visible, and whatever is inside the rectangle. Okay, but we want to reverse that. Okay, so to do so, we just have to go and click this reverse button. Okay, and now you can see that this part has been blurred, the one which we just make that inside our rectangle. Okay, obviously you can do with this rectangle whichever you want to do. Okay, you can make it smaller, you can make it bigger. Okay, let's say that we want to make sure that this particular part is only blurred. All right, so there you go, and you can just to the way you like it. All right, so guys, that's all what I want to cover in this video. If you like it, please hit the like button. If you have any comments, leave it down below, and thank you very, very much for watching.